Hey guys, in this video I am going to explain how to install XAMPP on Windows 10 operating system. Now XAMPP is completely free, open source and easy to install Apache distribution containing Apache HTTP server, MariaDB, PHP and Perl and other supporting modules like FileZilla, Tomcat, Mercury, etc. So let's go ahead and let's try to install XAMPP on Windows 10. So as I said earlier, so it's promoted by the Apache friend. So you open the Chrome browser and on the Chrome browser you search for XAMPP and you will find the first link, Apache friend. Open that. Here you will find the download link for Windows, Linux and OS X operating system. So as of today, the current version is 8.1.6 with PHP 8.1.6. So my system is Windows, so I am selecting XAMPP for Windows here. Click on the link to download the XAMPP. So it's a big file. It takes time depending on the internet connection. Once download is finished, locate the installer. It would be in your download folder. Double click on it to start the installation. You can ignore this warning. So it's saying that you have to install XAMPP under C folder only. So click on next. Select the all components, let it be default. This is the folder where I'm going to install the XAMPP, C XAMPP. That's it, installation is finished. Click on finish button and this should start your XAMPP. Now this is what the control panel that we have for XAMPP and current version is 3.3.0. So you can see different modules are listed here, Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury and Tomcat, and you also have buttons like start, admin, config, and there are some advanced options as well. So just click on start button. So as soon as you click on start button, right, so your Apache turns green and PID and ports number get populated. That means it starts successfully. Click on admin. On the admin, you can see a page which says about XAMPP, what are different applications available, FAQs, how to guides, PHP info and PHP my admin. You will find if you have WordPress or Drupal installed here, right, that would be visible here. FAQs are basically the frequently asked question. Then you have how to guides. Good articles here, how to configure FTP virtual host. Then PHP info is open in a new page which shows the information about the PHP, what version of PHP you are using. And finally PHP my admin. The interface for the PHP my admin, you can create database, run SQLs, create users. Okay, now what we will do, we will see whether our XAMPP is properly installed or not. So for that, let's create a basic program, hello world program in PHP language and see if it get executed or not. Okay, let's copy this example in the notepad file. So before that, what you need to do, now you know, right, XAMPP is installed under C folder. Open that folder and here you will find http docs folder. So under that, create one more folder, my PHP. And here we are going to save this file. Don't forget to give the PHP extension. Right, now go to your web browser and there you type localhost my PHP. This is your folder name and then your file name. See here, now the file got executed properly and you can see whatever we have or whatever is there in that PHP file, right? Displayed on the web page. Now I can simply stop the exam using the same button. Click on stop and you are done. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon so that you receive notification whenever I publish a new video.